In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper of someone on Telegram. So if you don't want to use a general wallpaper for every chat you have on Telegram, you can customize each of your friends on Telegram to use a different wallpaper. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the wallpaper of a single person or someone on your Telegram account. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is open the Telegram application and I'm going to search for the chat I want to change its wallpaper. So let's say this chat. You go ahead and open the chat where you want to change the background wallpaper just like this. Now once you open it, click on the three dots at top right and click on change wallpaper. Then you should see option to choose available wallpaper here. Then if you don't want to select any of this theme, go ahead and click on choose wallpaper from gallery and select the picture or wallpaper you want to set as the particular Telegram chat wallpaper. Then once you click on that, go ahead and select the background you want to set here. So in this case, let's say just going to set this particular background as the wallpaper here. So let's say this. Now let's say I want to set this particular car as my wallpaper on this Telegram chat. Just click on it. Then this is how it's going to look. So you can just drag left or drag right for a perfect picture or image. Then once you are good, you can choose apply for me or apply for you and the particular chat. So in this case, let's say I want to apply for both of us. I just to click on apply for me and the contact, or you can also blur like this or motion. So if you select motion, this is going to set a motion background as a wallpaper on this Telegram chat. Now, if you choose apply for me and both of us, you'll be prompted to upgrade to Telegram Premium. You saw that? But select apply for me. This is going to set the wallpaper as your chat wallpaper. So this is how you can easily change the wallpaper of someone on Telegram. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.